T-100, specific gravity of soils.
Okay, prior to doing this test, you have to calibrate the flask. Do that, you fill to the calibrated mark, read the bottom of the meniscus with distilled water at room temperature, or whatever the temperature is, in order to do the correction factor when you do the calculations.
But you measure that, you weigh that first, empty.
That's all you're doing, is you're filling it with water.
Don't you need an empty?
No.
Okay, go
you're
ahead.
Filling it with water to the calibrated mark, and you're weighing it.
Okay.
Okay, now the difference between that and when you add soil is the weight of the soil.
Okay, rough course.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so then the rest of the test is just like I said. You have 50 grams for sand and 25 grams for silt or clay material.
Okay.
Okay, and it's sieved over the 10 sieve. It has to be -10 material. And all you're doing is you're filling the flask up with distilled or deionized water about 3/4 of the way, about half a bottle, and you're using a funnel like this. You're gonna put the funnel, you're gonna pour the material in, you're gonna use a squirt bottle like this with deionized water. You're gonna rinse down the funnel and all the material that collects on the funnel and the neck of the funnel. You're going to fill it about 3/4, and you're going to let it soak for a minimum of 12 hours. After that 12 hours, you're going to boil it. Slightly boil it. You're going to bring the temperature up till it boils. The whole time you're going to be, while it's boiling, you're going to be taking it off every so often. You're going to roll it and agitate it. It's going to continue to boil for 10 minutes. After that 10 minutes, you're going to take it off the hot plate and you're going to fill it to the calibrated mark. And then you're going to cool it you could cool it in a water bath to 68 degrees, which is a 1.0 correction factor. So that's typically where you want to be. You're going to weigh it. You're going to make sure it's all dry. You're going to weigh it, and you're going to record that weight. And they are the 2 weights that you're going to need. Actually, 3 weights you're going to need to do the calculations.
And that's it?
That's it. I think I might have it. Let's see if I got it. What if I got a form here for it? I don't. Simple test.